Martin Albarasi. Together Piman, timulong kada tayo the establishment the Pisay in the Cordilleras na fortunately it's in the city of Baguio. Yes, ada ka notification from DepEd na ag-expire the contract of lease between Pisay and DepEd. Umalis dyan. Well, let us deliver the message. High authority specifically. Talagang edukasyon mo data and teaching the cream of the crop in our region. Apay na ni dumaan na nga, DJ. Edukasyon na implementar ti DepEd. Awan, isong nga stand is, while we are looking for a solution of this one, they should not force Pisay to vacate that area that will surely displace the cream of the crop of students, specifically in the Cordilleras and even the adjoining areas. Amo yung panaka-establisher na data Pisay, so nga kung kunada, dumugan si Father of Pisay, hirin Baguio, oray katinyo data kunada. Nagrigrigat tayo dito. Because, to me, of course, education is always part of our priority program. So nga, magmangtid tayo the financial educational assistance. Even when I was not yet in government, even when I was out in government. So, di ka ba lang tayo maitulong ka kay post, but deserving student. Nakita, the intelligent young people, our children, who want to enter Pisay, mapanda ija Metro Manila, ija Ilocos Sur, ija region to. Kakaasi dyan. That's why I said, under the law, dapat each region must have Philippine Science High School. So, data tiga po na nga, I work hard for it. Then, they site na kumareta, they 15 hectares in Tamawan, which was been discussed in the city council din at that time. And we have the understanding na ijay kuma. Unfortunately pala, that's covered by the ancestral land claim of the Claro family. So nga natuloy din yan. Now, I asked din the Department of Agriculture, nagsulat ak dito, unfortunately, niya po Secretary Dominguez, Secretary Edith, na-deny. Una, imbis nga mais iskwatan data, why not segregate 5 hectares of that area for Pisay? Alright, including the Baguio Technical School, o vocational school, hindi ikabil tayo. Ang partner da, in short, na-disapprove. But to really ensure na Pisay will be in our own region, in Kisugala ko, in Parugimi data, their school building, na high school building, nga nagtinulungan ni mga pinunduan ni the late Senator Flavir nga napatakder ni San Vicente, isot inosarming nga nagyananti Pisay. In the meantime, we were able to scout for that property, Piman, that property 3.6 hectares in Irisan, reserved for Baguio City National High School for Arts and Sciences. So kuna, ang partner tayo, ibati mi de 2 hectares kada kayo for that purpose, i-release you de 1.6 hectares. Tapno, may kabil tayo ti Pisay. In short, the agreement was signed. Iso nga na ipanti Pisay, di jay. Kat our idea is Pisay, because we did sponsor a law that established the Baguio City National Science High School with that 2 hectare area in Irisan as the site of it. And existing data na yan. Andan. So nga, kapanunuta, Baguio City National Science High School and PSI will complement and supplement each other. Di hanga maka-qualify ijay PSI were intelligent children of ours, di ma-qualify da ijay Baguio City National Science High School, ijay da maagagal. Dagiyay science department in Baguio City National High School and ijay Pines National High School, umikat na ijay, tabiyay enrollment again. Ta dumakdak ng enrollment tayo, will utilize that building, mapandaamin ijay Baguio City National Science School building ijay irisan. Ijay science students. As jay din na. So nga, this will be a priority which I will consider when we will resume in Congress for me to talk with Secretary Angara. I hope na amos mat, nalaingmat ni Apo Secretary Angara, i-consider na kumade ibagbaga. Ta edukasyon mo, i-deliver mo lang, di pisay. Yan ay tinagdumaan